In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiple choice question, or MCQ, using Paperform, a powerful tool for building forms, quizzes, and more. Whether you're a teacher, trainer, or just someone looking to gather some structured information, creating MCQs in Paperform can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, to initiate the process of creating an MCQ in Paperform, you'll want to use the / command. Yes, it's as simple as typing in multiple right into your form. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers navigating with the mouse, you can simply click on the plus icon that appears when you hover over your form. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a variety of question types. Look through the options and select multiple choice from the drop-down menu. This is where your journey into crafting a detailed and insightful MCQ begins. Next, it's time to give your question a title. In this section, you're not just limited to a simple question. You can also provide additional details or context that might help the respondent in understanding what you're asking. A well-phrased question with adequate details can make a significant difference in the quality of responses you receive. Now, over on the right side of your screen, you'll notice a configuration panel. This is your central hub for customizing all the fine details of your MCQ. It's here that you can start getting creative and adjust a variety of settings to suit your needs. Are you interested in adding some special conditions? With Paperform, you have the option to set up conditional logic. This feature lets you configure your MCQ to behave differently based on previous answers. It's a fantastic way to create a dynamic and intuitive experience for your respondents. And of course, you need to set up the answer choices. Add as many options as you want. Remember, clarity is key, so make sure each choice is distinct and easy to understand. Once you finish setting up your options and adding any conditional logic you might want, take a moment to review your question. Walk through it as if you're a respondent to see if everything flows smoothly and makes sense. That's really all there is to it. After setting everything up, your MCQ is ready to be integrated into a form or quiz. By using Paperform's intuitive design and comprehensive settings, you're now equipped to create engaging and effective multiple choice questions for any purpose. So go ahead, start building, and gather the insights you need with confidence and ease.